How to upgrade the Chase Sapphire Preferred to the Reserve card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. You can upgrade from the Chase Sapphire Preferred to the Chase Sapphire Reserve card after holding the Preferred card for at least 12 months. You can upgrade the request. Upgrade request can be made online or by calling 800-432-3117. The upgrade process is straightforward but not guaranteed. Responsible account usage helps, and you might receive a targeted upgrade offer through the email or mail. Note that upgrading means you won't qualify for the initial bonus of the reserve unless you're included in your offer. To upgrade it online, visit the Chase product change page and enter your personal details and follow the prompts. You may receive a decision within the 4 business days, and for phone request, call 800-432-3177 and follow the prompts and inform the representative of your upgrade request. Upgrading does not trigger a hard inquiry on your credit report, so it won't impact your score. However, ensure that your credit is excellent, as the Reserve card requires better credit than the Preferred one. So you can also check your score free from various websites, and keep in mind that the Reserve may not be upgraded for everyone. Consider if its travel benefits justify the higher fee. So this was all about it. This is how you can upgrade your Chase Sapphire Preferred to Reserve. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.